Hi, this is Patty, and welcome once again to my channel. I am about to cook some mustard fried chicken tenders, and these are the seasonings that I'm using: thyme, garlic powder, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, paprika, onion powder, bay leaves, parsley, and I have here some Paul Prudhomme magic seasoning, and I have mustard, black pepper, and dash salt-free table blend. All of these seasonings I'm using for my chicken, and these are the chicken tenders that I have put my seasonings on. And mustard, I have put mustard on them, and this is what I'm going to batter in. And as you can see, I have a cup and a half of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I've put every one of these seasonings in my bag to batter the chicken. Okay, once I put them in the bag, put my chicken in the bag and batter, then I will transfer them to another plastic bag, and I will put them in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours or more, whatever. And then I will come back and show you when I get ready to fry them on the stove top in my cast iron skillet. So this is what I have going, and this is 2 pounds, about 2 pounds of chicken tenders, and they are going to be fried mustard chicken tenders. So I'll be back in a minute. This is Patty, and these are the marinated chicken fingers or chicken tenders that I told you about earlier. I've had them in the fridge for 4 hours, marinating in the seasonings and in the mustard, and I've gotten them out, and now I'm battering them, as you can see here, and I'm putting them in the hot oil. I'm using corn oil today, and you get a picture of that as I put them in here in the hot oil. And these are going to be mustard fried chicken tenders. Okay, and you can see, and they should be good. That flavor should be through and through because they have marinated in this seasoning for 4 hours. And these are baked sweet potatoes that I baked earlier. And I'm cooking some green beans and potatoes with onions. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I put more chicken in the skillet here, and I've not overcrowded it because I don't want them to be too close together so they can have room to fry evenly. And these are some of the ones that I've already taken out. Look how pretty and golden brown they are. And when I'm done with all of them, I'll come back in a minute. Okay, welcome back. This is Patty, and these are the fried mustard chicken tenders. And this is my sweet potato, and what I put on it is a little butter, a little sugar, a drop of vanilla extract, and a little nutmeg, and a little cinnamon. And I am going to taste it. Look at that. This is my baked sweet potato. Look at this. Let me taste it. It's delicious. Oh my goodness, it's delicious. And these are my tenders. And let me try the tenders. Delicious. And look how golden brown they are. This is so good. Mustard fried chicken tenders. Go on Tyler and get you one and taste it and let people know what it tastes like.
It tastes delicious.
Mmm. It is to kill for. And I have some green beans and potatoes over there steaming right now on the stove top. But I just had to show you these mustard fried chicken tenders and this baked sweet potato with all this goodness. Butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, sugar, and a drop of vanilla extract. It is, it is, good. Thank you. And please subscribe, like, and share my video. And tell me what you think of it. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so very much. And we will see you soon. Goodbye. It is good.